Show me the picture that starts with the sound
That works for me.
You chose nest that starts with nest. Find the picture that starts with the sound
I like your choice.
You found umbrella that starts with umbrella. Find the picture that starts with the sound
That works for me.
You found TV that starts with TV. Choose the picture that starts with the sound
That works for me.
You chose hammer that starts with hammer. Pick the picture that starts with the sound R.
You found it.
You picked rabbit that starts with R. Rabbit. Pick the picture that starts with the sound
You found it.
You picked Mario that starts with Mario.